Hey guys, it's Beauty Riot X. If you hear a little voice in the background, Louis Von Sweet is here with me. And first and foremost, I want to address everyone who left very sweet and kind comments when I had said I was taking a few days off because my grandma was in hospice. I thank you so much for your kind words. You guys are so sweet. Sadly, my grandma did pass, but we knew it was coming, so it wasn't life gives and life takes. Even when you're prepared for someone to die, you're never prepared. But it prepared us to be there with her, and it was a great gift. My mom, my aunt, my uncle, my sister, we were all there. My grandma passed. I'm so grateful I was able to spend that time with her, and I am so grateful for you all for reaching out and again leaving such kind, sweet words and condolences. I greatly appreciate it. So today we are doing our unboxing for our February's Beauteque box. The reason it's being unboxed in March is because they just send it late in February and I usually don't get it until early March, so here we go. All the information for this box will be listed in the box below. This is not a sponsored video. I pay for these boxes myself. What are you doing? And the theme of this box is me, myself, and I. So that sounds like it'll be like a self-care kind of box, which I mean every box is, who are we kidding? Okay, and the first thing I see is the Prickly Pear Soothing Gel. Now let me say something. These tubs are like a big thing in K-beauty, like they just are. And for some reason, I find nothing special about anything I've ever tried in these kind of tubs. I've never tried prickly pear. I think I've actually tried prickly pear oil, which I did like, but I've never tried this like gel-based stuff. But I'll read you stuff about it. But I've gotten a few different things. I've gotten hyaluronic acid, gel. I've gotten a few different versions of something like this in this kind of tub. And honestly, I've never found any of them to really do anything. So let's read about this. I'm definitely going to give this a try, but let's see what it's actually for first. All right, so this retails for $20. Okay, this is 100%, we are 100% sure you will love this soothing jelly that contains 92% Jeju, I think that's how you pronounce it, prickly pear fermented water. It is very hydrating and has anti-aging properties. Apply pea-sized amount to clean skin, rub into targeted area until the jelly is completely absorbed. Add more if needed. Okay, so I mean like my upper arms tend to be pretty dry a lot, so that's a good place for me to try this. So I'll give it a try and let you guys know if it does anything. Okay, oh, the next thing is from Farmstay, and this is the Princess Curl and Long Lash Mascara. This retails for $8.99, and I will actually put this aside to use in one of my Get Ready With Me featuring like 5 new Korean beauty products. And let's see what color. And actually, let's look at the wand. Okay. This wand kind of reminds me of the Tarteist Lash Paint wand, which I don't actually mind. I do like that mascara, and the wand I don't completely hate, but I mean, it's not my favorite. But it's black, and I will definitely give it a try. Cuckoo. All right, the next thing is the new Time Lock Eye Cream. This retails for $9. Lock the clock and prevent premature aging with ease using either of these eye creams. Apply at night and wake up looking refreshed and well rested. A little goes a long way, less is more. Good to know. Love me a good eye cream. I'm happy I got this one because the other one that you could have gotten in here, I already have gotten like twice, so it's nice that I got a new one. All right, the next is by Ramosu, and this retails for $13. This is the Blooming Perfume Hair Mist. Uh-oh. Something that's it's like a perfume for your hair. I wonder if you could actually use it as like a dry shampoo, or if it's just like for smell. Great hair days make it easy to feel good about yourself. Very true. Stop clogging your hair's follicles with dry shampoo and get ready for the best hair days with this lightly scented hair mist. Shake gently, hold bottle 6 inches away from your scalp and spray. Can be used on dry, damp hair. Star ingredients: plant-derived mucin contained in the yam and orca, O-R-K-A, not C-A. No, there's no whale parts in here. And kelp extracts help prevent split ends and tangling. What is my freaking problem? Okay, I'm gonna try this. It sounds like it could be a dry shampoo. Didn't it say like, oh, I love when they have these kind of pumps. Stop clogging your hair follicles with dry shampoo. So does that mean this is like dry shampoo? Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, it smells like an OG like Bath and Body Works product. You wanna smell? Okay. I will let you know on the screen if this did anything. Maybe I should put more. You want me to put it in your hair? Ugh, it smells fantastic. Wow. I mean, I can't really tell too much for the hair. I don't think it really did much, but next time I'll actually try it on wet hair because I feel like it's left like a film on my hand. I don't know if it's actually gonna make my hair I don't know if it's gonna make my hair feel fluffier or flatter. I guess we'll see. All right, there's 2 more things in here. The first is a pore strip, and this is the Pore Shot Cat Nose Pack. Easily and effectively removes dirt and blackheads from your pores while looking like a cat. This retails for $4.99, leave on 15-20 minutes, slowly peel away. I don't love things you peel from your skin. I think it's kind of damaging. Me, who, you know, rubs a derma needle up and down my face, it's neither here nor there. The next is, an eyebrow razor. This retails for $5.99. Start at the end of the brow gently and shave away the hairs. I will never shave anything on my face, just so you know. So maybe I'll just wait and pass this on. I feel like my sister does, so maybe I'll give this to her. All right, so that was it. That was not a bad box. The hair mist I'm intrigued by. Eye creams are always great. I wonder if the prickly pear is going to do anything, and I can't wait to try the mascara. So I will let you know what I think of all those things maybe in next month unboxing. My friend Jenny does this. She does her unboxings, but then she'll tell you, like, so if she got February's box, she'll tell you in that unboxing for February what she thought of January's box. That's kind of cool. So maybe I'll do that for this box. All right, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.